everyone, myself Mohita Somani, and today I am up here to talk about a crucial topic, financial literacy, and more specifically empowering youth to make informed money decisions. As we all know, financial literacy is the ability to create and stick to a budget. But as we all know, financial literacy is the ability to understand effectively. As we all know, financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills like personal finances, budgeting, saving, and investment. But unfortunately, in today's world, many of us lack these essential skills, which can lead to poor decision making and a lifetime of financial struggles. Empowering youth with financial literacy doesn't only involve knowing them how to balance accounts, but to also give them the knowledge to navigate in the complex financial world when they will enter as adults. It is also important to teach them the importance of budgeting, the benefits of saving, and the risk and reward involved in management. Impact of financial literacy. Empowerment through knowledge. Financial literacy empowers individuals by making them understand the importance and the major tools involved behind financial literacy. By making the youth understand how money works is very important in today's world. Effective budgeting is one of the fundamental aspects of financial literacy. It is the ability to create and stick to a plan. A well-designed budget helps individuals to manage their income and control spending. Investing wisely. The principles of investing lies upon the fact of investment. Financially literate individuals can make informed decisions about where to invest their money, taking into account the risk tolerance, market trends, and the investment goals. Smart saving habits. Smart saving habits encourages the development of saving. Knowing how to save money strategically is essential for long-term financial well-being. Now, here are some important aspects of financial literacy which one must learn and implement. Budgeting. A budgeting is an individual's spending plan based upon their income and expenses. Creating and managing a budget to track income and savings is really the need of our. Saving. Understanding the importance of saving money for investment, future goals, and long-term securities. Investing. Learning about different investment options like stock, bonds, mutual funds, etc. Risk management are potential for growth over time. Financial goals. Setting short-term and long-term financial goals is really important and developing a healthy plan to achieve them. Strategies for improving financial literacy. Gather sources of financial literacy. Now, in today's world, everyone uses phone and no one can deny the fact that there are n number of resources available. So one should always make a best use of it. Setting goals and saving. By setting weekly or monthly goals of saving, we can really help to improve our financial literacy in a more practical way. Playing games that involve strategy and use of mind. Having a monthly review session with your parents and discussing about the entire month's earnings and spendings. Next. Financial literacy for entrepreneurship. Financial literacy also promotes entrepreneurship of our country. As in today's world, many of the individuals aspire to start something of their own, but without a solid backup, these dreams remain often unachieved. By teaching youth how to create a business plan, manage cash flow, and understand taxes, we can prepare ourselves as the next generation of entrepreneurs and contribute to the economic growth. Financial literacy is an investment at oneself that pays dividends throughout the lifetime. As we navigate the complexities of modern financial world, let's empower ourselves with the knowledge needed to make right financial decisions and secure a prosperous future. Thank you.